TCP IP layer, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. It is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the internet and other computer networks. So let's break down what is it and why do you use it and how it works. So TCP IP is a set of protocol that governs how data is exchanged between devices on the internet. It provides reliable, ordered, and error checked delivery of packets over IP networks. So TCP IP comprises multiple protocols, each serving different functions. So TCP provides reliable connection oriented communication between devices, ensuring data delivery. And IP, which is Internet Protocol, handles routing and addressing of packets across networks, enabling devices to communicate with each other. So together, TCP and IP forms the foundation of modern internet communication. So in the previous part, we have seen OSI layer. So OSI layer is the reference model. It is used as a reference model, but the TCP IP is the practical implementation in networking. And in OSI layer, we have 7 layers, but in TCP IP, we have 4 layers. So why do we use TCP IP layer? We use TCP IP for several important reasons, like for universal standard, scalability, reliability, and flexibility. So TCP IP is organized into 4 layers, each responsible for specific aspects of network communication. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. First, application layer, which provides network services directly to the application. Example, including HTTP, which is for website, FTP for file transfer protocol, and SMTP and DNS, and more. In the transport layer, which ensures reliable data delivery between devices, where TCP and UDP are the primary protocols at this layer. Coming to internet layer, which handles packet routing and addressing, the internet protocol operates at this layer. And the link layer, which deals with physical network interfaces and transmission of data frames. Example include Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and PPP, which is point-to-point protocol. So understanding these layers is very important. So how does TCP IP works? TCP IP operates by breaking down data into packets and sending them across networks. So here is a simplified overview of how TCP IP works. Data encapsulation. So data from the application layer is encapsulated into packets at the transport layer, and routing, IP address are added to packets at the internet layer to route them across the networks. And for transmission, packets are transmitted across physical networks link at the link layer, and the delivery. So at the receiving end, packets are decapsulated and data is delivered to the appropriate application. This ensures reliable and efficient communication between devices. So TCP IP plays a crucial role in cybersecurity for several reasons: for network monitoring, for access control, for encryption, intrusion detection, and understanding TCP/IP is essential for implementing effective cybersecurity measures to protect networks from any threats. So example use cases, for example, web browsing, HTTP request and response between web browsers and servers and serves and servers uses TCP IP for communication. For email, SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and POP3, which is Post Office Protocol, uses TCP IP for sending and receiving emails. Even for file transfer, we use FTP and SFTP, which is SSH File Transfer Protocol, uses TCP IP for transferring files between devices. And for remote access, example SSH and Telnet uses TCP IP for remote access to devices. So understanding TCP IP protocols is crucial for network administrator and cybersecurity professional and anyone working with computer networks. So TCP IP is the backbone of modern internet communication, providing reliable, scalable, and interoperable networking solutions. Understanding how TCP IP works and its various components is essential for anyone working in the field of networking or cybersecurity.